Distribution of waters on Earth. All the waters found on Earth are natural, but not everything is considered safe for drinking. In fact, only less than 3% of the world's waters is considered potable. The waters on Earth are divided into two groups, surface water and groundwater. Surface water, as the name implies, is water found on Earth's surface. Surface water and groundwater differ in the types and amount of minerals found in them. The atmosphere. The primitive atmosphere of Earth is assumed to be similar to the composition of the solar nebula from which Earth came from. Then, from its exposure to various interactions in space, Earth eventually lost its primitive features. These last features were then replaced by compounds released from the crust and from the impact of comets and other planetary objects, rich layers of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is composed of various layers which differ in thickness, temperature, and density. These layers protect Earth from many external threats in space, such as planetary debris, impacts from celestial bodies, and radiation. Troposphere. This layer is considered to be the densest among the other layers. Because temperature drops with altitude, warm air on the surface of Earth rises readily. Stratosphere. The air in this layer has strong, steady horizontal winds, which is advantageous to long-distance flights. At its upper region is the ozone layer, which contains a high concentration of ozone. Mesosphere. This is the layer above the stratosphere. The temperature here reaches a minimum of -90 degrees Celsius and is considered to be the coldest layer. The mesosphere may be the coldest because the heat from the sun has been decreased by the absorption of thermosphere and the radiative emission of carbon dioxide in this layer. Thermosphere. This layer is the hottest layer because of its absorption of highly energetic solar heat. Depending on solar activity, the temperature in this layer can rise higher, even reaching beyond 1000 degrees Celsius. The geosphere. This sphere includes all the stuff that make up the crust and the core of the Earth. It includes everything natural and lifeless that make up the surface of the Earth. The biosphere. The biosphere is all living component of the Earth, humans, plants, animals, bacteria, fungi, protists and all microscopic organisms on land, in the air and in the oceans. It also includes all organic matter that has not yet decomposed. This living part is hugely dependent on the other three spheres.